This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Team Platinum of Naples less than bedroom greater than Cynthia 12 and Brent Jensen. Best priced. Discover your Floridian dream with this outstanding 2015, 2+ den, 2-bath, 2-car garage, Castle Rock floor plan home in the gated community of Del Webb and Ave Maria.Freshly, painted on the exterior and with an outstanding architectural curb appeal and landscaping. This will make anyone's head turn twice for a second look. Your home sits towards the end of a cul-de-sac, where road traffic is at a minimum. From your home, your community clubhouse, where the Rusty Putter restaurant is along with all activities, is only a very short walk away. Turning into your driveway, your freshly sealed pavers give the appearance of them looking like new as you pull towards your spacious 2-car garage. Stepping out of your car and head towards your charming, covered entryway, you'll walk along a short sidewalk through the luscious landscape. You'll immediately discover the soaring 9 feet 4-inch ceilings with custom crown moldings and decorator painted interior flooring has new luxury vinyl plank, LVP, flooring in the living areas and new carpet in both bedrooms and flex room. There is a 5-inch crown molding throughout the home and features 5 ceiling fans. Your spacious gourmet kitchen is the pinnacle of your home with a new white quartz countertop, new pendant lights and large spacious Korean dual sink and an instant hot water system, and new microwave and refrigerator and elevated dishwasher are also included. Your home also has impact windows throughout and a corner impact resistant slider in the dining area. The spacious master features a large bathroom with a shower and dual sinks, vanity and oversized closet. Master bedroom also features a tray ceiling. When you walk onto your screened in under roof lanai with a southern exposure, the view of the 10th hole fairway and lake will be an enjoyable tranquil scene to relax with at the end of the day. The great feature about this property is that the golf membership at the Panther Run Golf Club is optional, with membership transferable from the current owner, for a very reasonable cost, if desired. Del Webb offers a vibrant social calendar, with 2 clubhouses that provide features such as a resort pool, lap pool/jacuzzi, fitness center, pickleball, tennis, bocce courts, and a fire pit lounge offers a cozy setting for gatherings. Golf enthusiasts can also perfect their swing with a golf simulator. Del Webb is one of Southwest Florida's premier 55+ communities in Flood Zone X. This could be yours today if you call and schedule a showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Team Platinum of Naples less than bedroom greater than Cynthia 12 and Brent Jensen at 239-784-9229.